Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by aligning stance and committing to the first movement. Keep weight slightly forward and take a 1/2 step to close distance quickly. Make sure to relax your hands so the strike flows instead of tenses. Aim for the eyes to upper chest and pick the clearest opening. Don't hesitate. Once you initiate, drive through the hips to generate speed and keep your elbows slightly tucked to protect your center line while your non-striking hand resets for defense. You now execute the core. Explode from the hips and let that torque feed into the arm. This produces the strike's power and speed. Once the arm extends, snap the wrist at contact to increase impact and ensure quick recoil, which avoids overcommitment. As you retract, immediately return your free hand to guard and step to a 45 degrees angle to reset distance. Make sure to keep breathing steady. Controlled exhalation times the strike and preserves stamina for follow-up actions. You finish by pulling the strike back into a guard position with controlled follow-through so you're ready for the next action. Avoid overreaching, which leaves you exposed. Once done, check balance and foot placement. If you're off-center, reset your feet before attempting another engagement. If the strike misses or is blocked, don't panic. Reset the guard, take one small feint to draw a reaction, and re-engage. This preserves tempo and forces openings while keeping you protected.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.